little learners! Welcome to Locomasti Kids. Today we're going to have so much fun matching pictures and learning new things together. Let's start. Animal and their homes. Match animals with their homes. Fruits and their colors. Match fruits with their correct colors. Clothes and body parts. Match clothes to the body part they are worn on. Vehicles and where they go. Match vehicles with where they travel. Animal and sound matching. Match animals with the sounds they make. Toys and shapes. Match toys with their shape. Objects and rooms. Match objects with the correct room in a house. Alphabet and objects. Match each alphabet letter with an object that starts with it. Great job, little stars! You matched them all so well! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Locomasti Kids for more fun and learning. See you next time! Bye-bye!